Hello, today we are going to learn how to make Indonesian sentences in easy way. A sentence in Bahasa Indonesia start with subject, verb, and object. Verb in Indonesian doesn't have conjugation, and object doesn't have gender. So, if we want to make a sentence, for example, I eat chicken, you can say saya for formal, or you can say aku for informal. Makan ayam. Saya makan ayam. Aku makan ayam. Makan for eat, ayam for chicken. Another example. I learn Indonesian. Saya or aku belajar bahasa Indonesia. Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia. Aku belajar bahasa Indonesia. Another example. I go to school. Saya pergi ke sekolah. Aku pergi ke sekolah. Let's try to make the sentence longer. I learn Indonesian at school. Saya or aku belajar bahasa Indonesia di sekolah. Saya belajar bahasa Indonesia di sekolah, or you can say aku belajar bahasa Indonesia di sekolah. What do you think? Do you think to make Indonesian sentences easy? If you think you can make it by your own self, let's grab a paper and then try make your own sentences. If you like this video, you can put your comment below. And then you also can subscribe, like, and share this video if you think this video is very useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Sampai jumpa.